Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price started, at the day and where it was yesterday and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that all revolves around a single area, and in my mind, that area is right here at 98 cents. Why is 98 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 98 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price pulls back here. I'm not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaves in that manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. So after what would be a pretty big pullback, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress as 98 cents. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those right now because in my opinion, top priority right now by far is not breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through some healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed, and that's the name of the game. You want to sell those long-term uptrends, so focus on building those higher lows. Any way you slice it, very, very nice move today. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.